Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at home. Students, we have already done addition sums. So today we will do story sums related to subtraction. Let us do with the help of an example. So here, out of 46 students in a class, 22 are boys. How many girls are there in the class? You should know the meaning of the story sum. सबसे पहले आपको स्टोरी सम का मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. So here, the meaning of the story sum is एक क्लास में 46 स्टूडेंट हैं. उनमें से 22 जो हैं वो बॉयज हैं. तो उस क्लास में गर्ल्स कितनी होंगी? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द गर्ल्स इन द क्लास. सो वी विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट फॉर द स्टोरी सम लाइक दिस. सो द स्टेटमेंट इज टोटल स्ट्रेंथ और टोटल स्टूडेंट in a class is equal to 46. Boys in the class is equal to 22. Now we will find out the girls in the class. For this we have to subtract 22 from 46. हमें 22 को 46 में से subtract करना पड़ेगा. First of all, we will subtract the digit at ones place, that are 6 and 2. When we subtract these, we get 4. After that, we will subtract the digit under tens place, that are 4 and 2. After that, we get 2. So the girls in the class is equal to 24. Come to next. There are 34 birds on a tree. 20 fly away. How many birds are still on the tree? एक पेड़ पर 34 birds हैं. उसमें से 20 जो हैं वो उड़ गए. तो अभी भी पेड़ के ऊपर कितने पक्षी बचे हैं? So we have to find out the birds that are still on the tree. So for this, we will again write a statement. Birds on a tree is equal to 34 and birds fly away, that are 20. Now after that we will subtract these two numbers to find out the birds left on a tree. We subtract 20 from 34. First of all, we subtract digit at ones place, that are 4 and 0. We get 4. And when we subtract 2 from 3, we get 1. So the answer is 14 birds left on the tree. Next question is, there were 46 oranges in the basket. 14 oranges got rotten. How many oranges are left now in the basket? एक बास्केट में 46 ऑरेंजेस हैं. उसमें से 14 जो ऑरेंज हैं वो खराब हो गए. तो बाकी ऑरेंज बास्केट में कितने रह गए? For this, again we have to subtract 14 from 46. So we will write the statement for this. Oranges in the basket is equal to 46. Oranges got rotten is equal to 14. And when we subtract, we get, 4 from 6, we get 2. 1 from 4, we get 3. So the oranges are left in the basket are 32. Come to next example. A zoo had 84 animals. 24 animals were sent back to the jungle. एक जू में 84 एनिमल्स हैं और उनमें से 24 एनिमल्स को जंगल में वापस भेज दिया. तो हाउ मेनी एनिमल्स आर लेफ्ट नाउ एट द जू? यस, जू में कितने एनिमल्स बाकी रह गए? फॉर दिस अगेन वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. So the statement is animals in zoo is equal to 84, animals sent back is equal to 24, and animals left in zoo. We subtract 24 from 84 and we get 4. Subtract 4 is equal to 0, and when we subtract 2 from 8 we get 6. So the answer is 60. 60 animals left in zoo. I hope these story sums are clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.